Let me introduce you to the not so common leafy green Swiss chard. If you've never heard about it, I wouldn't be surprised. Hey everybody, welcome to Health Yourself. Today we're going to go over the top 5 reasons why you need to eat Swiss chard. Make sure you watch till the very end to discover why eating Swiss chard may actually help in hair growth. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss when we upload new videos. Swiss chard is a green leafy vegetable within the same family as beets and spinach. It originated in the Mediterranean region and not in Switzerland, regardless of what the name implies. Number 1. This amazing superfood is packed with so many nutrients. It has an impressive list of vitamins, nutrients, and organic compounds. This includes vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, as well as vitamin E, riboflavin, and vitamin B6. Talk about a nutrient overload. Number 2. It can actually help you to control diabetes. One of Swiss chard's most important advantages is its capacity to control the levels of blood sugar in our body. It inhibits the activity of a specific enzyme called alpha-glucosidase. This means that less carbs are broken down into simple sugars that allow the blood sugar levels in the body to remain stable and prevent risk to diabetics or those at high risk of developing diabetes. Number 3. Think, McFly, think. That's right, Swiss chard is actually a brain booster. Swiss chard is a good source of potassium as well as vitamin K, both of which are present in large quantities in the brain and are important parts of enhancing cognitive growth and skills. Add a little Swiss chard to your diet and open your mind. Number 4. Iron and copper are both vital elements in red blood cells, and without these two substances, people can experience anemia that appears to be exhaustion, fatigue, disorders of the stomach, and loss of concentration. By maintaining a sufficient amount of red blood cells by consuming foods such as Swiss chard, the blood supply and oxygenation of vital organs within the body will improve. Number 5. Finally, I'm sure we all know someone who has suffered from hair loss, and that's because they probably lacked biotin. Now, among its other beneficial compounds, Swiss chard has large amounts of biotin too. Biotin is an organic compound which has been specifically correlated with healthy hair, follicle stimulation, and as a way to increase luster and texture. Swiss chard makes a great pizza topping, and it's surprisingly really good. Maybe try to use Swiss chard in your scrambled eggs or omelets instead of spinach. Lastly, throw it into a salad. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips and much more.